Who is Sapphire? I've not heard of you before. Why should I spend my time on responding to you, meeting you? We get it. We're not a known company in your area at the moment. Since we launched our balcony system in 2014, this is exactly the question we get on a regular basis. We understand why. Because people know what they're currently doing and it's easier to stick with it, sure. But the reason people were speaking to us back then and continue to speak to us today is for really two main areas. Firstly, is the innovation they can see in the product and how that can make an impact to them. But also, Sapphire have been building up a reputation for many, many years now in streamlining the balcony journey. So we start that process with trying to discover what the aspirations are for you and your project. What do you want to do to get your balconies right? How can it be better to actually serve the purpose of what you're trying to achieve in your scheme overall? And by doing so, we can then unravel some of the hurdles and challenges which may be blocking that, whether that's trying to meet a lower cost budget, whether that's trying to create an aspirational landmark building with better aesthetics than the other ones selling next door. Whether that's the construction challenges, we will dig deep into finding out those, and by doing so, it then creates a scenario where we can streamline our innovation, streamlined by knowledge and collaboration. There's many different ways which we can streamline that process, but that's why Sapphire have become well known in the marketplace, is simplifying that journey. Really, it's like a navigation system for making sure that your balconies achieve what your aspirations are and all those hurdles and challenges are overcome one by one. The Sapphire portfolio has got a number of different solutions we can draw from for balconies and different scenarios, different cladding types, different building heights, and different frame types. And this gives us a great wealth of experience to draw from in actually guiding the next steps of buildings. And we've worked in tens of thousands of projects in the UK, many in the European Union, and as far away as New Zealand. So as we've been working more in North America and other marketplaces in Europe and so on, it helps us understand the broad perspective of different approaches to construction and create a bigger arsenal of choices, a bigger range of possibilities which can be used on your particular project. So helping you through our experience to streamline your balcony journey.